So I'm just about to leave for uni. I start at 9, it's now 8:30. Really cannot be bothered to go, and just don't want to go. I just want to stay in bed because it was just so cozy and I was so warm and I was having such a nice sleep, and I'm just so tired. Yeah, after uni I think I might go into town because I want to get contacts for tonight from the market. I think it's open today, I hope it is anyway. Also on Wednesday for our cheer social I've got to be an angel and I can't find anything, so I don't know what to do about that. And then I need to go to the gym because I haven't been since, not the Friday, just gone the Friday before, because obviously I was at home for reading week. And then I've got my food order coming, and then Halloween. Yay. So I'm back from the gym now. I just did abs and cardio today. Sorry if you can hear my shower running, it is running. And yeah, I went into town today after college, uni, so I mean, it's pretty boring but standard, but I'm going to show you again anyway. Start with boring stuff. 40 pedal bin liners for my bathroom bin because I really need some of them. I then just got, sorry, I've got to go in my bag, I've got 2 packets of paracetamol because, oh my god, sorry, look at my nails, they're so horrible, let's hide them. These are like 18p each. I then got a little body scrubby, spongy, whatever they're called, body puff, it says on here. It was like 38p because I needed one of these. I then got, no, I can't even get it out of the bag. Then just got some Mitchum. I've never actually used this before, but so many people say it's really, really good, so yeah, I'm gonna see how that goes. And then some micellar water because I was running extremely low on this, so I got some more of that. And then I just got these eyelashes, they're £1.99. I'm running out of eyelashes and they really remind me of the Ardell Demi Miss B's, and I haven't had time to go to Sally's to get any more, so yeah, I picked up these. And then, oh, actually I also got some contacts for tonight. They're just like devil ones, they're £6 from a little shop in town. So yeah, that's everything I got. So I've done the majority of my makeup. I obviously need to do my lips, eyelashes, and obviously my cuts, which my flatmate Jodie is going to go and do, which I'm going to go and get my flatmate Jodie to do now. Look at this lighting, Jesus Christ, it is so bad. Yeah, these are not the ones I'm wearing out, I just pushed my hair back with them because, you know, Halloween and all that. But yeah. So hot.
I haven't done latex in ages.
This lighting's so much better than mine. I need a mirror like this.
It's so bloody good. Yeah, I never use it for selfies. Why have I never thought of that?
Because you're not me. Oh my god.
Over 18s only. Wagering requirements and conditions apply. Please gamble responsibly.
So Jodie just did my makeup and it looks so good. So I've just got a little slit on my neck, just need to clean up a little bit around there, and then a little drop coming out my mouth. So nothing too OTT, but yeah, I really like it. This was done with latex and tissue, but yeah. Ugh. Like, I look at it and I'm like, ugh. I'm gonna turn my fairy lights off because I know if I don't I'll forget to turn them off before I leave. So see ya. Yeah, I'm gonna put my contacts in and then finish the rest of my makeup and I'll show you it then. Also, like my contacts, oh, I don't know if it's in focus. There we go. But yeah, my contacts keep like twisting to the side. So I have to like pull them from the bottom like that. Yeah, I'll show you what I'm wearing. So I'm just wearing black horns, this black velvet dress, fishnet tights and some Converse. So yeah. So it's now Wednesday, so it was Halloween last night and I think I went to bed at like 4:30ish, so and I woke up at like 9:30. I'm honestly so dead if you couldn't tell. I was meant to have uni at 9. I was never gonna make it to that, let's be honest. I didn't ever plan on making it to that, but I did plan on making it to my practical at 1. It's now 1:35 and here I am. Just in bed still. Yeah, I literally haven't moved, I haven't eaten anything yet. I need to shower and eat something and I think I'm probably just gonna just do my assignment for the rest of today and all this evening. Yeah. So I'm now just under halfway through my assignment. So yeah, hoping to get this finished by tomorrow. Just got another 500 words to do. That's all out the way. Oh my god, about time I finally completed that level 1 Candy Crush. I'd been stuck in it for ages. It was literally annoying me so much. What level am I on now? I don't care about leaderboard. Go away. Go away. Oh, level 89 now. Literally I've been stuck in it for so long, it stressed me out. Good morning. So it's now Thursday and it's 22:11. I woke up this morning and went to the gym. I did week 2 from Grace Fit's guide of the beauty ones, so I don't know if it's going to focus. But yeah, this is what I did. And I warmed up incline on the treadmill and then did 15 minutes on the cross trainer after I did all that. Yeah, I'm gonna go make a coffee and I'm gonna finish my assignment today. Like, that is the goal for today, to finish my assignment. Like, if I do that, I'm gonna be so proud of myself. So this is actually the view I have from my uni kitchen. It's like building work going on. There you can see the crane. So loud. Yeah, it's quite cute. It's just a canal there. You can see a boat. It's like a raisin jumbo. So I'm currently on 887 words and I still haven't finished and I still have my conclusion to do. So I guess I'm gonna have to go through and get rid of some stuff. Maybe some that's been like repeated or something. But yeah, nearly finished and I'm so happy. I just like need to go over it or finish and then like go over it.
Maxine.
It's Max.
Sorry?
Nobody calls me Maxine. It's Max.
Ah, well, all aboard, Max.
So I'm off to a firework display. It's one my uni's running. I'm going with my mates Dulcie and Jodie. Yeah, there's like a fun fair and like bar. I think there's like bars and stuff. So yeah, it should be good, and it's free entry as well. So yeah, I'm excited. I love fireworks so much. Like, the noise scares me, but I literally love them so much. I think I'm gonna go to a firework display on Saturday with Jed as well, because I want to go to one with him. But yeah, I look a state. What is this bump in my hair? But yeah, I was finishing my assignment, so I literally had like 25 minutes to get ready, I think. Yeah, dressed up all cozy in my fur coat. So yeah, off I go. So I'm up because I'm going to a gym, because we have a house viewing at 4. I don't finish uni till 2. So I'm back from uni. It's like 20 to 4 now, and we have a house viewing for our house next year at 4, so we're going to that. I'm literally so tired. I didn't have any time to make any effort with my face. Hair's a mess, skin's a mess, nails are a mess, everything's a mess. Yeah, I'm quite excited actually. I've never been to a house viewing before, so I'm excited. Yeah, like, this is the first one we're viewing. Obviously we're gonna view more, but yeah, there's 8 of us. Well, there's not 8 of us going, but there's 8 of us that are gonna be living together next year. So yeah.
It's massive. Parking out back.
They're coming along, but what I do is I always be in these levels. So
Lovely weather. So I literally just got back from the gym. It is like 5 to 10. Dead to train gets in at 10:45, so I've got to leave here at like 10:35. I need to tidy my room. It is an absolute tip. I still literally have not unpacked from reading week. I was meant to do my washing yesterday, didn't do any of that because I was upstairs for the night with my friends. Oh, Jesus Christ. To clean my bathroom. Yeah. Need to shower, of course. I'm gonna shower and clean my room because I think that's like my main thing right now, because I hate having people here like when I have a messy room. Well, I hate having a messy room anyway, but yeah, I better start that because I kind of want to chill for a bit as well before I have to leave. Yeah.
What I was saying to your housemates, if they had seen 72 and 76 and the previous houses, they would know that this is a really good house.
How many are up here? 3? Is that a bathroom?
Yeah, it's 3.
That's nice.
Sort of head fucker in Marrakesh.
It's the Marrakesh. I'm imagining a chillum and a big knob.
It's like a doormat.
So sorry I didn't end this week's vlog. Me and Jed literally, I fell asleep last night and then I woke up again and then we just were watching X Factor on YouTube. And we were watching The Holiday, which I fell asleep during. Yeah, that's pretty much all we did. So yeah, sorry I didn't end it. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this weekly vlog. I don't know if it was enjoyable or like if it was boring, but yeah, I really like vlogging. Give this a thumbs up if you'd like more weekly vlogs. Yeah.